Hi guys, and welcome to DIY with Nadia. Today's video is all about mail, and it's gonna be a good one. If you want to know what in the world I'm talking about, stay tuned. The project for my Sunday Funday is going to be this trash to treasure beautiful rose wreath that I think you can really use the whole year round. After this project, I will be announcing a fun Christmas giveaway that I'm doing, so stick around and enjoy this video. I'm starting this project with a foam Dollar Tree wreath and also a vintage ribbon that I had on hand. It is a gorgeous olive color and I decided to use it for this wreath. To get this project started, I'm hot gluing the ribbon in place, wrapping it around the wreath all the way around and hot gluing it in place once again. Next, I'm grabbing some branches that I found on my walk in the forest preserve and I painted them white, gave most of them 2 coats of chalk paint. I'm going to have branches going horizontally and vertically, and I'm just overlaying them, making them fit in the middle so it's not too bulky, and just trying to work them in so they fit nice and perfect. And I'm trying to go outside the wreath a little bit. And if you don't like the way it's sticking out, you can always just cut it down with wire cutters, and that's why I have those on my table. As I find a perfect spot for each branch, I'm hot gluing them in place straight to the wreath and also to each other. For greenery, I'm using my favorite spring florals from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just picking out longer branches that I thought would look really nice, and then I'm grabbing some of the ones with the yellow flowers just because I thought it would look so beautiful with the olive ribbon. And to top it all off, in the center I'm attaching a rose that I got at Goodwill. I'll attach the video where I hauled this rose along with some other things. To hang the wreath, I'm just grabbing a leftover piece of ribbon from a previous project and making a little loop. I wanted to mention the hosts of Sunday Funday, and it's Deco Easy, and Deco Easy are a team of mom and a daughter-in-law, and I love their twist on farmhouse. Their twist on farmhouse is they actually use more black than white, but everything comes out so clean and beautiful, and I love their projects. I mean, seriously, you guys, beautiful work. Definitely check them out. The co-host for this challenge, I think they're hosting it together actually, is Ginger Chick Rehab. Let me tell you guys, if you want to see an amazing furniture flip, click any of her videos. For real, just amazing furniture flipper. I love both of these channels, all 3 of these ladies, so I will link their channels down below. Check them out. My Christmas giveaway is going to be something way different than what you guys are expecting. I don't care if you comment down below. I don't care if you subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is send me a Christmas card, and I will send you a Christmas card back. When I get all these Christmas cards, I'm going to put them in a basket and draw one. I'm probably going to have either my sister or somebody come in and draw, so it's not me drawing, so you guys don't think that I'm favorable towards somebody, and that way it'll be fair for you. The reason I'm doing this is I am old-fashioned at heart. I love receiving Christmas cards and I love sending Christmas cards. So you guys have until December 25th to send cards. That's basically October, November, December. That's 3 months to send in these Christmas cards. My address is on all my videos in the description box below. It's a P.O. box. So send the card and I will take those cards and save them, and I will do the drawing between Christmas and New Year's. The gift that you will receive, I'm not sure what it's going to be, but it's not going to be like a Dollar Tree or necessarily a craft thing. I'm somebody who likes to give things that I love to use. So it's probably going to be something from Amazon, something you know, something from Amazon that I love using, that I actually fell in love myself, and I'll get you guys one of those. And I'm going to try to pick something that would be okay for, you know, no matter what type of home you have, you know, I'm not sure what it's going to be. But if you guys want to play along, I think this is going to be so much fun. And if this works out, I want to do something like that for spring, possibly summer, and then Christmas again. What do you think? I think it's going to be fun. I hope you guys are excited about that. And so for my first drawing, I'm actually going to put in a card for you. Debbie, you don't have to send in a card because Debbie sent me a whole little gift. So I'm going to be opening Debbie's, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a Christmas card that I have on hand, and I'm just going to write Debbie's name on it. So that way it'll be fair. Alrighty. So let me open this. And Debbie this is so generous. Open this end, and it's something fragile. She saw me on the Crafty Leanie and Nadia show. And she heard us talking about the fact that I cannot find those calendars anywhere. And she contacted me to see if I wanted a calendar, and I was like, I was just happy that she found it. I thought she was saying, like, I found it, I'm so excited, you know, and she's like, no, I want to send you. I was like, wow, that's sweet. So let's see what we got here. And then I'm going to be opening really, really slow because she did say she made something. Oh my goodness. I think she made this. Oh my goodness. Debbie, this is going to be perfect. So this year, look at this, you guys. And I'm gonna cry. She wrote to Nadia from Santa Claus. Look at that, you guys. How sweet is this? And she decoupaged Merry Christmas. I'm not sure what kind of paper this is, but she decoupaged onto this ornament. And Debbie, I'm so glad it came in one piece. Nothing broke. Nothing broke. And you know what? I am having a country Christmas this year. So this ornament is going to be absolutely perfect. And it's definitely going higher in the tree so my kitty can get to it. But oh my goodness, this is just so heartwarming. Thank you so much, you guys. Look at her work. I think it's so adorable. Debbie, this is beautiful. And just, you thought of me and you made something for me. That just, I can't, that's just heartwarming. Thank you. Let's see here. Oh, how cute. She sent me some, are these buttons or what are these? Knickknacks. They're little pumpkins. You guys, October is just beginning. I know you guys saw my Christmas stuff out, right? Olivia started. What can I say? I have to start getting the Christmas tree out. But we still have fall DIYs coming for sure. What are these? I think she made these. Wow, Debbie, did you make these? Oh my goodness, you guys, she is hooking me up for my country Christmas. Look at this little angel. Oh my goodness. So, so pretty. This is going to be perfect. So perfect for my country Christmas tree. And there's, oh, this is so cute. What did she make this with? This is absolutely adorable. I know that these are little Dollar Tree, little pom-poms. And I think this is this could be a Dollar Tree ribbon, I'm not sure. But this is so cute. Look at this, you guys. How adorable. Debbie, the fact that you put work into this is so, so special. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. What does it say? I think it says joy. Aw, Debbie. It says joy right there. Oh, I'm so good for this year's Christmas tree. Thank you so much, Debbie. How adorable is this? I'm like thinking, well, where can I put this? I can definitely even put that on a Christmas tree, but we'll see. Here are the calendars. This is so funny. I just bought some pine cones, but oh my goodness, my idea, this is so perfect. She got me little pine cones, and they're like medium size, because I got the tiny potpourri one from the Dollar Tree, and these are so beautiful. Do you have a pine tree near you? These are perfect. I live by a forest preserve, and the ones that I find are like the squirrels have eaten them or something. They're all messed up. I cannot find these gorgeous, gorgeous pine cones. Look at this. They're perfect. Thank you so much for the pine cones. I have an idea what I'm going to do with them. And I was looking for pine cones that are like pretty much like that. Then she got me a little butterfly. Look at this beautiful gold butterfly. So pretty. And it's an ornament. How pretty is that? Debbie, this is too much. Wow. Oh, I got 2 of these butterflies. I wonder where she got them. These are beautiful. Look at the second butterfly, you guys. They're big. Look how big these guys are. Very big butterflies. And then, oh, she got me a card. Wow. So she collects vintage buttons. And I don't even, this caught my eye. Can you guys imagine this like on a brooch or something? I'm not even sure what this is made of. But this is vintage and absolutely stunning. So there's a big rose, and if you guys can see, there's a tiny rose right there. That is stunning. And then she gave me a little bit of different buttons. I have been trying to think of what I can do with buttons for Christmas, and she also gave me a little thank you card. Thank you. I should be thanking you. So the bell ornament was a golden glass vintage bell that I decoupaged and decorated. This is absolutely sweet. I'm like blown away by the little bell. Okay, so here are the calendars she sent me. I thought she was gonna send me like one. Oh my goodness, yes. Yes, Debbie. Okay. Oh, there's 3 types, hold up. Oh my goodness, look how cute these are. Okay, so the first one she got me was this one. God bless this farm. This is good. This is sentimental. My grandma had a farm, and so I don't know why I looked at these pictures and it just took me back, you know, to my grandma's house. My grandparents both passed away already. Actually, all my grandparents passed away, but this is just so beautiful and just so special. Debbie, thank you. I don't know what else to say. So then she sent me 2 of these farmers market ones. And these are the ones I was really looking, couldn't find anything. I love the one where is it? The one with the bee right there. And it's just, these are so beautiful. And I can use this throughout the year. Amazing. And then Simply Blessed. This is another gorgeous one. Oh my goodness. So gorgeous. And it has kind of like these wreaths everywhere on them. But look how beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, my kitty's making his way. Leo, oh my goodness, he's gonna fall here. You guys say hello to Mr. Leo, who's my little troublemaker and was trying to get to all the buttons and ornaments. Leo, you want to say hi? He hears his dad on the side. Say hi to everyone. Say hello, my little pretty. Alright, I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. And don't forget, if you want to participate in the card exchange, my P.O. Box address is in all my videos in the description box below. Have a wonderful day. Oh, and don't forget that I am also attaching the playlist to all the other participants of the Sunday Funday and also the beautiful hosts of this challenge. Thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Leo, say hi. Bye-bye. Say bye. Bye, guys.